is painted gray, yet your laughter lingers. It won't fade away. In the silence I hear your voice, a haunting melody. It leaves me no choice. Oh, the clouds, they gather heavy and low. Dread in this moment, your light starts to glow. I'm longing for the days when you were near. Every drop of rain brings you back here. In the rhythm of the storm, I find my peace. With every gentle note, my heart's release. Whispers of the rain calling me home in this quiet space. I'm never alone. The street lights flicker, casting shadows long. Each corner holds a memory, a forgotten song. I close my eyes and I'm lost in the past, wishing for a moment that could forever last. And when the thunder rolls, I feel the ache, a reminder of the love that we used to make.